right, so in this video, we are going to practice adding an expense. Now the exercise will be here on the right-hand side, and this is part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. If you want more information on that after we go through the exercise, just be sure to click on the link below in the description. Let's dive right in and see what our scenario is today. Craig just sold his last rock fountain, so he needs to buy some more. He purchases 4 more fountains from his supplier, Tony Rondanu, with his MasterCard. You now need to record the purchase in QBO. So we are going to be working in the sample company that is over here on the left-hand side. This is the dashboard. If you're not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, make sure you click on the link below in the description. Let's go ahead and get started with the exercise. To get started, we need to click on the plus new button and then click on expense. The plus new button is here on the left-hand side. Click on that, and then we are going to click on expense that's under vendors. Let's go ahead and fill out the transaction. So in the payee field, we need to select Tony Rondanu. So go ahead and click in that down arrow. You can either start typing Tony's name or you can scroll down until you get to his name, which is right there. Go ahead and click on that. In the payment account field, we need to change this to MasterCard because remember, that's how it was paid for. So click the down arrow and then select MasterCard. We are going to leave the payment date as is. It's going to default to today, but in a real life scenario, you would want to enter the date of the transaction. Dates are always really important in QBO, so you want to make sure that that is accurate. The payment date is right here. We're just going to leave it as is. Now, because the rock fountain is an inventory item, we need to put this under the items details grid. So we need to click on item details to expand that grid. That is down here. Go ahead and click on that down arrow. If you want to collapse the category details, go ahead and click on that to collapse it so we only see this one. Now on the first line in the product service field, we need to select rock fountain. So go ahead and click into that. You can click into it 2 times. Rock fountain actually happens to be towards the top here. So go ahead and click on that. The quantity field, we need to change this to 4. So let's delete what is in here and type 4. When you click out of it, you will see that QBO is automatically making the calculation for us. This 4 times 125 equals 500. And that is it. Now we just need to save and close the expense. Go ahead and click on the green button down here. And you see now that expense has been saved. Now, if you liked this exercise and you're interested in more, be sure to click on the link below. This is again part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit, and I will see you in the next exercise.